Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a motivational meal prep style video. I haven't done one of these before, but the day that I was filming this I barely had a voice, and so you wouldn't have been able to hear me anyway, so I just decided to do a voiceover. And in this video I'm making roasted veggie quinoa bowls, and I did a haul video a couple days ago showing you all the ingredients that I bought. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this style of video and want to see more, give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know if this is something you would like to eat or try. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just go ahead and prepare the vegetables. I have to peel the carrots and the sweet potatoes and then dice everything up to get them ready to go in the oven. Once I had everything all chopped up and cut up, I just laid it out on some parchment paper on some baking sheets and arranged it, and then sprinkled it with olive oil, and actually it's avocado oil, not olive oil, but you could use either one. I love it on basically everything. It is just the Italian dressing packet, and normally I think you make it into a dressing, but I like to use it as a seasoning. I've showed you guys this before and it just tastes so good. So that's what I'm using here. You can use whatever your favorite seasonings are, like garlic and paprika and all those things, or whatever your preference is. And then I'm just going to throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I set my timer for 10 minutes, but that was just so that I could flip it over and then do another 10 minutes so that it would evenly bake. And then once everything was in the oven, I took out my containers, and I also had prepared quinoa in the Instant Pot. I showed this on my Instagram stories. It only takes like 1 minute to cook with a 5-minute natural release, so it cooks super fast. And I put 1/3 of a cup of quinoa into the bottom of these dishes, and then I'm going to be topping them with all of the vegetables that come out of the oven in just a moment. So that's what I did for these vegetable quinoa bowls. They are super good. Even my kids are loving them. So I'm gonna be making some more meal prep videos. Leave me a comment down below if there's something specific you'd like to see me make, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. And happy Halloween, because it is Wednesday Halloween. Bye guys.